Hi, I'm Megan, and I'm a junior at Elmhurst. I took the first year seminar class 2 years ago. What I really enjoyed about the course was that it was more of a project-based course, and students sort of did self-directed work as opposed to a lot of my other classes, which are lecture-based. In those classes, students could kind of just sit back and go through the motions, but in the first year seminar course, we were forced to take leadership roles and take a more proactive stance in doing work and research and stuff like that. I also liked that we presented our research to faculty because it gave us a lot of confidence in our presentation skills. We knew that if we could present things to faculty, we could present to anyone, especially peers, stuff like that.
My name is Sarah. I'm a sophomore here at Elmhurst College. I really enjoy the format of this class. I prefer this sort of class, like a work-based class, to a lecture, only because that way I can command my learning. I can figure out what's important to me. I can figure out what I really want to learn more about within a broad topic that we were given. In groups, we were able to choose what we really wanted to focus on, which I particularly liked because I didn't necessarily want to learn about other things that people wanted to learn about. I really had a chance to meet with a lot of staff, faculty, and professors who supported us, which was really cool. One particular project that I think about is a sustainability project that we had to work on. I really liked it because we talked about sustainability on campus and how we were able to change everything on campus. We had the power to do that. We got together in groups and we talked about what we wanted to change on campus, what was important to us, and we as a group decided that we wanted to eliminate the styrofoam in the cafeteria. We wanted to have trayless Tuesdays so that we could save water and save energy. We wanted to eliminate the energy usage of lights in buildings that weren't ever really in use during the night. We wanted to implement more recycling bins. We wanted to change some of the bulbs on our campus to be more eco-friendly. We wanted to have organic and locally grown food. And it was really cool to see how we were able to, by meeting with the director of dining services and meet with other people, we were able to change that. This year we have implemented eco-friendly cups that are made completely from plants. We have bulbs that are really good for the environment, that don't waste as much energy, and we just really had a great time doing it too. We were forced to kind of get out of our comfort zone, and we were forced to meet more staff and meet more faculty and have them get on board with our ideas that they really quickly supported, which we were sort of surprised about, but it was good. We didn't expect college professors to actually agree with us because, what do we know? And that was really cool. I really liked that. Also, I really liked the fact that I'm a visual learner, and so for me to visually be able to see everything and see the PowerPoint and meet with people instead of having to write everything down constantly and having to read everything constantly, it was good for me to be able to get into my learning zone and be able to learn as best as I can.
Hi, I'm Jolene. I'm a music education major. I'm a freshman, and I'm currently in the class Local Choices Global Effects. This is a project-based class, and it's definitely made me look at the bigger picture, and in all of my classes, it made me work towards a larger goal, which is really a good thing to have outside of college and always keeps you busy. My learning style, I'm a very oral learner. I think that's something that goes along with being a music major. And this class has definitely proved to be a little bit of a challenge since most of it is readings. And however, I must say, I also am a bit of a visual learner, and we also do a lot of PowerPoints, and that makes it easier to learn. We also do a lot of discussions and talk about sustainability and the other content in the class, and that definitely helps me.
Hi, Sarah again. When we had the chance to do a project on energy, I was given the topic of China. And at first I wasn't really fond of it. I didn't understand why I needed to know about China and how it related to energy. But upon being given this assignment, I looked into China, and once I found one article, I was just thirsting to know more about China. How was China consuming energy? How was it working with energy? Was it being was it using it to its advantage. And by the end of this research that I had done, I felt like I knew so much about China, because although I wasn't fond at first of the idea of having to do a whole bunch of research on China, I had the opportunity to understand how they use their energy and how the US uses its energy and how other countries use their energy, and it really gave me a lot of insight on how to...
The self-directed format of this class has also made me take a personal level of responsibility and make sure that I'm in charge of my education and I get out of the class exactly what I put into it. And also having a faculty or administrator work together in the class has also taught me to become more professional in my everyday classes, and that everything I do say will affect me in the future. And that level of professionalism is something that I'll definitely carry with me past college and for the rest of my life.
Hi, it's Megan again. I'm going to talk a little bit about what I've done since the first year seminar program. We've started a group on campus called the Green Jays, and our Elmhurst College mascot is the Blue Jays, and it's a sustainable group, so we kind of got our name the Green Jays that way. But what we try to do is educate students and about sustainability and change things on campus to make them more sustainable and things like that. But it's a group that I became interested in because of the first year seminar class, and it's gained a lot of interest because of that. The first year seminar class really got me interested in things like sustainability and other issues that we deal with, such as poverty, and I'm also part of the Global Poverty Club. So first year seminar class really got me involved in a lot of things, a lot of big issues, and really helping out around the world.